Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto chicken enchilada skillet. Hey guys, we are going to get started with this chicken enchilada skillet. It is so easy. It's all of the components of easy or delicious chicken enchiladas, but made easier by just throwing it all in a skillet, and it's just amazing. This is one of the first recipes I put on my blog many years ago, and I don't think I have ever made a video for it, so that's what we're doing today. The first thing we need to do is cut up four, I would say these are about 8-inch tortillas. We're gonna cut them into strips. These are keto carb counter tortillas. Here's the ones, I love these tortillas. I buy the bigger ones to make wraps out of. They're so good. So we're going to cut them into strips, just like this. And then I'm going to cut these strips into smaller pieces, about 1.5 inches wide. Okay, we've got our tortilla strips all cut. So now we're going to toast them in a large skillet with a couple tablespoons of avocado oil. You want your skillet to get hot. You want to make sure that your avocado oil is nice and hot. It's going to be shimmering and coating your skillet. And then we're going to add the tortilla strips. Okay, our skillet is hot, so I'm going to add the tortilla strips. And we're just going to let them toast for about 5 minutes in the oil. As they're cooking and getting crisp, you want to make sure and toss them around the skillet every so often so they don't get too brown and so they can cook evenly. And then spread them back out into an even layer. Okay, our tortilla strips are nicely toasted. So I'm going to remove them from the pan. And now I'm going to add in some already cooked chicken. This is just chicken that I bought. Rotisserie chicken. 3 cups. You want to turn your skillet down to about medium for this. And I've got a can of enchilada sauce, about a 15-ounce to a 19-ounce can. This is just regular enchilada sauce that I buy at Walmart or any grocery store, but you can find enchilada sauce that don't have sugar in them. I think Whole Foods makes one that's really good actually, but I don't have a Whole Foods close by, so I just get what I can find. So we're going to add this to the skillet and let that heat through, which doesn't take very long at all because our skillet was so hot. And now we're going to add 2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack cheddar cheese or Colby Jack cheese or whatever you like. Usually the bag says Mexican blend. So we're going to gently stir that in, let it melt. This is some cheesy goodness right here. And our chicken was pre-seasoned from the store, but if it wasn't pre-seasoned, you might want to check for seasoning, salt and pepper. That enchilada sauce is pretty flavorful. And now we're going to add our tortilla strips back to the pan. I'm going to sprinkle them on top and then gently fold them into our sauce. Oh my God, look at that. How good does that look? Cheesy tortilla. You could serve it with cilantro, sour cream, avocado. Look at that. I mean, this is just a big bowl of comfort food, but it's low carb. It's delicious. Be sure you check out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.